Hi everyone, I'm here to show you with the Bissell Crosswave, how it works and what it does. It's a 2-in-1, so it vacuums and washes the floors, the carpets, and that's area rugs, full carpets, tile, and hardwood flooring. It doesn't damage anything, and it doesn't go under the carpet to the floor, so it doesn't damage it that way. So I'm just gonna show you a sample of how it works. I apologize, the vacuum, the only thing that is that it's loud, but I got the one with the cord. It's not cordless. It was a good price. It only cost $2.82 and change. So I'm just going to start it now on the hardwood floors. As you can see, there's two buttons here. One is carpet, one is hardwood. And I'm just going to press the hardwood to start. As you can see, it's really loud. It's vacuum. And then there's a little handle underneath here that I press. And it washes the floors. I apologize, I do live with tremors, so you may see some shaking in the video attention. As you can see, it's two. Works great. And I am just using the water and vacuum at the same time. And with the being on the hardwood, I can still do the sides of the carpet to get the corner of the hardwood. And now I'm going to switch over to rug. And I'm going to show you how to use the rug. As soon as I get it on there, because I'm holding the phone and the carpet at the same time. Very nicely done. I can get it wet. And change nicely. If you're wondering where we got the carpet from, it's from Costco for $174. It's really nice and soft. And that is me showing you how to use the Bissell Crosswave. And if you see, it has a place where you put your water and your favorite solution. They do recommend that you use theirs, of course, because they're a business. And this is what just that little amount has picked up. As you can see, very dirty. Even though I clean almost every other day. Alright, well that is my introduction. If you want to order one of these, you can inbox me and I'm happy to send you the direct link to the website itself. It's worth the money and you'll never have to use two different products ever again because you're using a vacuum and wash the floors. So pretty easy, pretty simple. It does have a bit of a weight to it, but hey, it's a good way for a workout. Alright, I hope everybody has a great day. Thank you for watching.